Hi there, I'm Randy Propster, Backpacker Magazine brand ambassador and host of the Get Out More Tour. I spend a ton of time playing in the field on the Get Out More Tour, which means I get to play with a lot of gear, and I want to share with you some of my favorites and even some gear I consider essential. Now, you wouldn't want to go out on trail, whether it's full-blown backpacking or even a day hike, without an essential like a first aid kit. And the thing that I love about the Mountain Series first aid kits from Adventure Medical Kits is that they make it really simple. Everything from the external kit map that allows me to see exactly what's in the kit for easy access, but also so that I know exactly what I need for resupply, as well as what I like to think of as a find it fast technology. They call it their Easy Care first aid system. Let's say you have just filleted your thumb trying to fillet that fish they're trying to cook for dinner. Well, if you open your kit, you'll know right away that Stop Bleeding Fast might be a good place to start, right? It's all organized by category of accident or injury. And then you also get a guide to wilderness medicine that allows you to have the skill to go with the gear, because the gear is only half the battle. So make sure you're prepared. Bring your first aid kit. I like the hiker. It's going to be the right size for the duration of the trip that you're typically going to go out there on. Make sure you're safe, comfortable, and confident on your next trip on trail.